Hello everyone, myself Amol Ladvikar, avionics instructor and assistant professor in HL Pravara Aviation Institute. We are made aircraft exterior light system of A320. Okay. This is the control box of the external light system. Okay. You see strobe light, beacon light, wing illumination light, navigation and logo light, runway turn off light, landing lights, left hand side, right hand side and taxi light. Okay. So what is the purpose of exterior light? We know about what is the purpose of exterior lights of aircraft. First reason is to make the aircraft more visible to other aircraft. Second reason is to improve pilot visibility during critical phase of flight. And third reason is to provide illumination for some other specific purpose. Okay. First we see the navigation lights. There are three navigation lights. Okay. First is a red light on the left wing tip, and green light on the right wing tip, and white light on the aircraft tail. Okay. Dual systems are often installed to provide redundancy in the event of bulb failure. Okay. Navigation light, it is used for the navigate aircraft. Navigation lights person करते हैं. First we see navigation lights. Navigation light consists of red light on the left wing, green light on the right wing, and white light on the aircraft tail. Okay. Then we see the beacon light. The aircraft beacon light are red in color and either flash to rotate to provide a pulsating warning lights. They are normally installed in a pair with one on the top of the fuselage and other on the bottom. The beacon is normally turned on prior to engine start and turn off after engine have been shut down. Then strobe light. When installed, strobe light are usually positioned near the trailing edge of a wing tips and may also be installed on a tail of aircraft. Strobe are high intensity white light which flash at a regular interval. They are normally turned on when entering an active runway, for turn off and turn off when leaving the runway after landing. Okay. In many cases, the strobe light switch will have an auto position which will result in activation and deactivation of lights based on weight on wheel. Then we see the taxi light. Taxi light are medium intensity light which may be mounted on a nose landing gear in aircraft nose or wing routes. Okay. They are used to provide illumination of a taxiway during a ground operation. Then second light is runway turn-off light. Turn-off light are similar to a taxi light except they are mounted on an angle positioned to the left and right of an aircraft nose. These lights will illuminate taxiway or obstacle on either side of aircraft. Then we see landing lights. Landing lights are high intensity light used to illuminate the runway surface for takeoff and landing and also to facilitate the aircraft being seen by other pilot. This light may be wing, landing, strut or fuselage mounted. In some installation they are mounted in the leading edge of the wing behind a clear fairing, while in others they are extended and retracted from a cavity in the wing or fuselage depending upon the regional norm. Landing lights are either switch on when entering the active runway or upon receipt of takeoff clearance. Landing lights are normally turned off as aircraft climb through 10,000 feet and turn on again as it descends through 10,000 on approach. Then next light is the wing inspection light or wing illumination light. Wing inspection lights are mounted on a fuselage and are aimed to illuminate the leading edge of the wing and engine pylon. They are often used during the hours of darkness for aircraft pre-flight inspection and for illumination during engine start. They can be used in flight on as required basis. Then we see logo light. Logo light are generally mounted on the upper surface of horizontal stabilizer and are aimed to illuminate the company marking on the tail of the aircraft. We operate the aircraft exterior light system. First we on the power supply. Here we construct a TRU. TRU, it is a transformer rectifier unit. TRU, it converts AC into DC 12 volt. All LED are operated by using a 12 volt DC supply. First on strobe light. Exact position of strobe light is a left wing, right wing tip, left wing tip and tail. Then beacon light. Beacon light is placed on a ceiling of aircraft and bottom section. Then wing illumination light placed on here and also on that side. Wing illumination light, it focus on a leading edge of wing and engine pylon. Then navigation and logo light. Right side green light, left side red light, and tail side is a white. Okay, and these are the logo lights which are used for displaying the company of aircraft. Runway turn off light. Left side and right side there are two runway turn off light. It is a white color LED. Then left side landing lights. It having a very high intensity. Then right side landing lights, it also having a very high intensity for seeing a runway. And last is a taxi light. There are two taxi lights which having a very high intensity for seeing the runway.